Listen carefully, because what I'm about to tell you isn't motivation, it's a revelation. The version of you who already has everything you're trying to manifest isn't far away. It's not ahead of you. It's you broadcasting from another frequency. And the moment you understand this, your entire timeline begins to shift. Most people think manifestation is about forcing reality to change, but the truth is shocking. Your dream life already exists. You're just not tuned into the version of you who's living it. Let's change that today. The truth about who you really are. You are not a single identity. You are a field, a network of multiple potentials, multiple futures, multiple selves. We've been taught that we are separate from our goals, separate from success, separate from the life we desire. But the quantum world says the opposite. You are entangled with all the versions of you that already exist. The confident you, the healed you, the abundant you, the unstoppable you. They're not imaginary. They're active right now, sending signals back to the present version of you. The real question isn't, is my dream life real? The real question is, why haven't I matched its frequency yet?
The hidden science behind this. Quantum entanglement is real. Two particles, once connected, remain connected, even across space. If matter can do that, why not consciousness? Why not identity? Why not the multiple versions of you? The you who became successful, the you who healed, the you who found love, the you who made it. They all already exist in the field. You are either vibrating in sync with them or out of sync with them. That's the glitch most people never see. Because through repetition, trauma, old beliefs, and survival mode, you accidentally keep entangling yourself with the version of you that struggles. And the field simply mirrors that identity back to you. Not because you're unlucky, but because you're coherent with the old frequency. The real secret of quantum jumping is not magic. It's not fantasy. It's identity recalibration. A jump happens the moment you choose a new observer, the moment you stop collapsing reality from the version of you who is limited. Think about your life. Have you ever made a single decision that changed everything instantly? A moment that felt like a switch flipped? A moment when something in you felt different? That was a jump, a ripple in your timeline, a moment when another version of you came online. Your future self is already communicating with you through intuition, through gut feelings, through desires, through dreams, through sudden clarity. Not because you're imagining the future, but because the future is already entangled with you.
The field doesn't respond to your words. The universe doesn't listen to your wishes. It listens to your vibration. Your words don't collapse reality. Your identity does. You can't speak abundance while acting from fear. You can't visualize success while deciding from doubt. You can't jump timelines while staying loyal to the version of you that's holding you back. The field is strict. It responds only to the frequency you embody repeatedly. Not 5 minutes of belief, but the identity you live from.
The method to collapse your old self. We start with a single question. Who is the version of me that is creating my life right now? Really feel it. What do they believe? What do they expect? What do they tolerate?
What do they fear? You will feel something. A tightness, a heaviness, an inner voice. That's the current observer. Now comes the sacred moment. Are you willing to let this version of you die? Because quantum jumping is not travel. It's a funeral, a peaceful releasing of the identity that cannot carry your future. Here is the three-part realignment. 1. Witness. See the old self clearly, without judgment, without resistance, just awareness.
Sever. Speak this truth aloud or within. This is no longer who I am. I release this identity. You'll feel resistance. Let it shake. That's the old self dissolving. Choose. Now choose the new identity. Stand like them. Breathe like them. Think like them. Decide like them. Stop tolerating what they would never tolerate. This is where the jump happens. Not by force, by embodiment. What happens after the jump? Most never talk about this part. After a jump, your life will feel strange. People will respond differently. Opportunities will appear unexpectedly. Old relationships may feel misaligned. Your emotions may wobble, not because you failed, but because your nervous system is recalibrating. Think of it like changing a radio station after years of static. There will be noise, echoes of the old timeline, whispers of old patterns. Don't mistake this for going backwards. It's proof the shift is happening. The old reality always shakes before it leaves. Anchoring the new self. This is the part that truly stabilizes your jump. Respond to life as the new you, even when the world hasn't caught up yet. When money looks low, respond with abundance. When fear appears, respond with clarity. When doubt arises, respond with identity, not insecurity. The universe doesn't reward effort. It rewards consistency of frequency. Not fake it till you make it, but feel it until it stabilizes. Slowly, the old patterns fade. Your reactions change. Your voice shifts. Your choices align. Reality updates itself, not because you hoped, but because you became the version of you that your dream life already recognizes. Living in the new timeline. This is where everything becomes natural, where the new identity stops being a practice and becomes your baseline. You'll notice old emotions lose power, old triggers dissolve, old habits feel incompatible, old thoughts feel foreign, because they are foreign. They belong to a timeline you've left behind. The new you is not a fantasy, it's a frequency, and you are finally in sync with it. The final activation. Before we close, breathe deeply. Feel the shift. Feel the version of you that has emerged. Not imagined, activated. This is your new signal, your new field, your new identity. Now ask yourself one simple question. What is one action the future version of me would take today? Not a giant step, just a coherent one. That one choice anchors the timeline. If this script spoke to you, if you felt something awaken inside you, then this message wasn't new to you. It was a remembering. So don't leave this frequency. Stay connected. Stay aligned. Stay coherent. Subscribe. Not because I asked, but because your future self is asking you to remain tuned to the field that speaks your truth. And tell me in the comments, which old timeline are you ready to collapse? And which new identity are you stepping into? Declare it. Name it. Broadcast your signal. Because once you speak from embodiment, the field responds in kind. Your new timeline has already begun. Welcome to it.